Hello everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with two blasters of 2021 Archives Baseball. Now, each blaster you do get three exclusive 1989 Topps Big Foil cards. 7 packs, 8 cards each, so looking at 56 cards each. And let's go ahead and open these guys up. I think I actually got these on Best Buy. 20 bucks each. Fun to see the new players on the older designs, of course. So let me get from the archive. Alright, pack one. I'm not expecting too much out of these. Usually don't do getting big pulls out of these archives. I don't know why. Jose Ramirez, just it might be me. Victor Robles. Bob Feller, numbered to 150. Nice. Dave Pearson and Garcia. Nice surprise numbering card there, Bob Feller. Ryan Mountcastle rookie, I'll take that. John Schmaltz, Bogarts, Jimenez, Kepler, the big three. Yes, they were Clavin, Schmaltz, and Maddox. I like that card. We got a Buehler Walker throwback. And a Rogers rookie and Vita Blue. Alright, some interesting inserts and cards so far. Tony Gwynn, Joe Adell rookie, Beaver, Badu Buzuka rookie, Shining Star, Devin Williams, and Yelich, and Goria. This is like Chronicles, basically. Well, it's not really Chronicles. Chronicles is a new version. Tom Glavine, Pache rookie, Will Clark, and Rodon. Like rookie, Singer, Mookie Betts, Adam Frazier, Chris Bryant, the throwback. So that's my second one. One more. Madden Lee and Cespedes. Kuno Jr., Hendricks, Ken Griffey. That's a pretty cool looking shot there. Tim Anderson, Schmidt rookie, Deion Sanders. Oh, that's sweet. And Roger Clemens. Alright, should be my last 89 foil in this pack. Piazza, Rivera, Kevin Biggio, Strasburg, Ozzie Smith, and a Garrett Cole foil. Sanchez and Stanton. Alright, blaster 2. Got that number card right out front. Not too much in that blaster. There could be some short prints I need to look up. Alright, blaster 2. Oh, I like that Frank Thomas. Christian Walker. Paul Monitor. Like father, like son. That's pretty cool. Biggio, Guerrero, Bichette. That's actually pretty sweet. Old Babe Ruth. McNeil. Nick Warefield. Anthony Rizzo, Guerrero, Joe Carter, Willie Adams. Nice Nolan Ryan. Trent Grissom, 89 foil. I do like these two inserts, pretty cool. A little different than what you normally see. George Brett, Bregman, Brubaker, Schmidt, Bagwell, Dylan Carson rookie, not bad. Frank Robinson, Peyton Smith. I'll put that one out too. Alright, still two more of the foils, 89 foils. Maddox, Casey Mize, Shiny Star rookie. Back-to-back Topps 140, Kyle Lewis, Turner. Alright. We'll do a bonus pack at the end. I always do a bonus pack on my baseball breaks. Story. Trent Grissom. And Shohei Ohtani foil. Not bad there. Chris Bryant, and that's numbered to 99. Oh, gray parallel. Got 2 serial number cards. 1 in each blaster so far. Albies, I still got 2 more packs. Zario, Lou Brock, Alvarez, Sam Huff. Oh, Jonathan India rookie. I like that. Ooh, and a Big Red Machine. Very cool insert. Merfolk and how he is. Alright, pretty happy with that India rookie. And the Big Red Machine card. Last pack. And we'll do the bonus pack. Oop. Luke Voigt. Kinsey. Mercedes rookie. Crawford. Manny Machado. Foil. Devin Munson. Al Kaline. Alright. We got a Topps Chrome, 2 opening days, and again for pack. So 0-1, 2 bones. And we got a 1 opening day, 2 packs. 2021. Hottie packs. Ooh, we got a blue parallel. Well, Josh Donaldson blue. It's a pretty rare. You don't get nice Joey Votto. Don't get a lot of those blues per box. I don't believe. Got opening day, Tampa Bay Rays, 2021. Perez. All right, that's the break. I got 2 serial number cards, some cool inserts. Nice Indian rookie for my PC. Some good foil cards from Shohei. So overall, pretty fun little break. Not the greatest. I mean, nothing huge, but some cool cards. That is it for this Archives Blaster break, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.